mind, I'm just saying you. So there is a phrase like a greenhorn. A greenhorn means like if somebody is very new to something. For example, yeah, although that politician, although a greenhorn in politics, he seems to win the vote or election this time. Like that, we can use. Next,
Yes.
next idiom is get up and go. Get up and go means losing energy. For example, I have been feeling so tired lately. I think I'm losing my get up and go. So this is how we can use this get up and go, this idiom. And another idiom is that you know already that piece of cake, piece of pie. Like for
Yes.
example, if you practice English regularly, then English will be piece of cake for you. And another idiom is burn the midnight oil. Yeah, another idiom is burn the midnight oil. Burn the midnight oil means work hard or late. For example, if you want to
क्या
for
कभी
example if you yeah for example if you want to learn English language, then you have to burn the midnight oil. That means you have to work hard. So
amazing. So my name is Vijay Lakshmi. I am comes from Rajasthan. By profession, I am a teacher. I usually teach English literature, 11th and 12th classes, and I am a mother also. And if I talk about my hobbies, so take care of plant, gardenings. These are my hobbies. So that's all about me.
okay, ma'am. Okay, actually, no. After seeing your picture, I thought that you may be a teacher, a teacher. So I was thinking like that, and then I got to know that yeah, really you are a teacher. Okay, that was my guess. Okay, so
Yes.
do you have any topic for today?
Could you repeat, please?
Do you have any topic for today?
I would like to share now some phrases with you. Hmm.
Okay, okay. Please let me know.
Okay. So at first blush, have you heard about at a first blush?
No, not yet.
At first sight, first glance. Just usually
Oh,
people say,
I was thinking in my mind that yeah, it will be like that. Yeah. Okay.
I fall in or first blush. So we can use first blush. And second one is the hidden agenda. Hidden agenda.
I haven't heard.
Hidden agenda. Sometime politician make a hidden agenda. In the superficially they have a different plan, but in hidden plan you can say hidden plan is the different type. They have not two type of plans, and I think that in nowadays in India every politics party have in a hidden agenda. Something father Poli.
Okay, I got it.
And third one is na beat black and blue. Beat black and blue. He got
Yeah.
beaten and blue.
What does it mean actually?
एक्चुअली में बुरी तरीके से पीटना उसको उसको जैसे कहते हैं ना उसको मार मार के काला कर दिया पीला कर दिया नीला कर दिया उसको
Yeah.
he got beaten black and blue. It is the change of the, you can say the skin color changed by
Let me
got beaten, by got
form
hurt,
a sentence.
some injury
Okay.
maybe.
Let me form a sentence. When my mom was telling me to do household work, but I was listening to my mom, then she beat me black and blue. Then she beat me black and blue. Is it correct? Like,
Yes,
this is
yes,
why we can use this phrase, right? Okay,
yes,
okay.
yes. Also na teacher beat student in black and blue.
Yeah.
Okay.
Suppose, for example, in that classroom, the students were like they were throwing tantrums, and then the teacher beat the students with black and blue. In black and blue or with black and blue?
But
In
it is
black and blue.
yes, yes, it is illegal. It is not good for both the
It
student
is,
and teacher.
it is illegal. Yeah, it's illegal.
Yes, yes. And na chicken out. Chicken out.
Chicken.
When we chicken out. Chicken,
I have heard this, but I forgot the exact meaning.
yes. When we na go through the some fear, na, especially the children's fear out from parents, elders, teachers, you can say, principal, you can say. So I am chicken out from my principal. I am chicken out from my boss. Chicken out from my parents.
Afraid of. Afraid of. Afraid of. For example, I am afraid of that teacher. If I say that I am afraid of that science teacher, so that means I am chicken out of that science teacher, right? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, got it.
Yes, and feel scary. Someone. We can also
Yeah.
say then chicken out from
Some.
the dog, stray dogs.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Fly kites. We can use in a different way, in a metaphor way. You are just flying kites. Now, give a advice in the basis of the possibility. Not sure. When we start in Hindi, we can say tukka marna. Flying kites.
Yeah, okay. Okay. That
Then
means that he was not. For example, let me say a sentence. So, in the examination, the student was just he was not able to write the answer, so he was just flying eyes in the exam hall.
yes, yes,
Is it
yes.
correct? Okay.
Sometimes you can say flying kites in examinations and especially in the multiple choice question.
Especially in the multiple choice questions. Yeah. Sometimes I also do that.
Yes, everybody do this kind of them. And you can say the Achilles heel, Achilles heel. No, English is my Achilles heel. English is the weak point of. Sometimes we are lag behind. Sometimes we weak in a particular subject. So we can say it is the my Achilles heel.
Okay.
No,
Next.
in in our school we have a 4 5 subject. So we can say math is my Achilles heel. Science is my Achilles heel. We can say
Math is mine. Math is mine.
Achilles heel. And follow the one's nose. Follow the one's nose. Say, can I know? Will you tell me the address? Oh, it is around the corner. Follow your nose.
Okay, okay. Got it. Okay. Okay, we can guess the meaning after listening this phrase. Like it's relatable. Yeah.
Yes. We can also translate word to word. Yes. And backseat driver. He is a backseat driver. My colleagues are backseat driver. There's a backseat driver. Giving advice all time without asking advice, and he or she giving me always advice. That
Okay,
person is called backseat driver.
okay, okay. Okay.
Yes.
I got it.
And it is also backseat driver. He is the
Hmm.
backseat driver. So he should leave the place. You can say.
English
These are the
idioms, right?
yes,
Idioms.
idioms. Yes.
Okay.
We can use for any person, any particular person, and sometime we can also use for our neighbor.
Hmm.
In
Okay.
our we have any person. Also give and take. It is the matter of give and take. मिलजुल के काम करना, work together. We can use also. You can say the communication is the give and take process.
Yeah, of course. Yeah. This sentence is perfectly correct.
Conversation also give and take.
Hmm.
मिलके दोनों को कोई भी काम करना हो. We can use give and take. These are the
Yeah.
common, but we are not using regularly in our conversation. That time sometime we forgot. It's a slip of our mind.
Yeah. Sleep
But,
up. Sleep up. It slept my mind. We can say that it slept my mind. If we forget something, then we can say that it slept my mind.
and so these are the common phrase I choose to share with you. And if you have any, you can share with me because now our video is not clearly, so I haven't started recording. And next day when we meet again, then we may make any other video for our channel.
Yeah, actually, right. I have written many idioms in my notebook, but right now, like, and my notebook is not with me. But whatever coming to my mind, I'm just saying you. So there is a phrase like a greenhorn. A greenhorn means like if somebody is very new to something. For example, yeah, although a greenhorn in politics, he seems to win the vote or election this time. Like that, we can use
Okay.
next idiom is get up and go. Get up and go means losing energy. For example, I have been feeling so tired lately. I think I'm losing my get up and go. So this is how we can use this get up and go, this idiom. And another idiom is that you know already that it piece of cake, piece of pie. Like for
Yeah.
example, if you practice English regularly, then English will be piece of cake for you. And another idiom is burn the midnight oil. Yeah, another idiom is burn the midnight oil. Burn the midnight oil means work hard or late. For example, if you want to,
क्या
yeah, for
कभी
example, if you, yeah, for example, if you want to learn English language, then you have to burn the midnight oil. That means you have to work hard. So this idiom just came to my mind. And another idiom that is, I'm forgetting, I'm not able to remember right now at this moment. But yeah, the ball is in your court. It means it's your turn. For example, when I was giving my introduction, so at that time I could say you that now the ball is in your court to give your introduction, right? So yeah, I think you know already this idiom.
okay. In the starting two idioms I haven't heard before, and otherwise all are in my syllabus, in my books, and especially in the literature.
Okay, okay,
And,
yeah, okay,
so,
okay. One more idiom just came to my mind. That is wait on someone hand and foot. wait on someone hand and foot means like if somebody is always ready for you to help you. For example, when I broke my leg, one leg, my mother was always there with hand and foot. You can recognize the meaning after listening this idiom.
So,
So this is
in
how.
your yeah,
Yeah.
amazing. In your introduction, you said you have two students of IELTS. So, what kind of pattern you follow nowadays? How can you give in the
Oh,
coaching?
they are little child. They are little child. One is reading in class 3, and another is reading studying in nursery level, KG 1. So I teach that student every subject like math, English, and Bengali. As I'm from West Bengal, so our mother tongue is Bengali. And yeah, and one student is there. She's reading in class 3. I teach them English grammars like parts of speech, sentence, and positive and negative sentences. Sorry, affirmative and negative sentences, and also like how to ask questions in English. This kind of grammatical things I teach her, and as well as I cover the syllabus which is in our academic system.
Okay, I want to ask you related to your name. Once I heard my co-learner named Shaili, and it is a,
Mm.
different rhyming word. Okay, but how can you pronounce your name?
Piali, Piali. My name is Piali. Yeah, but
Because
when you pronounce my name, in Hindi, the pronunciation of my name is Piali. But Piali means it's there is a song ek garam chai ki pyali ho. You have heard that song, right? But that's not like that. My accent, the correct pronunciation is Piali, Bengali accent, Piali. Actually, Piali is my real name, but I use Priya name because nobody understands my name, so that's why I use the name Priya.
what is the meaning of your name in Bengali language?
Yeah, there is no meaning, but in my childhood, and when I was studying in my childhood, I read in my book, geography book, that it's the name of a river. But why they gave me my name as Piali? Because in my family, my cousins are there, so their names are also ending with li, li, like Samoli, Dipali. So that's why they have given my name as Piali to match with their names.
There is no particular meaning.
No, there is no particular meaning. They just gave just to match with their names.
Okay, it's a fantastic story. Yes, yes. So, what would you like to do in your leisure time, free time?
Yeah, in my leisure time, I like to draw some pictures. Like I watch YouTube pencil sketch, so I like to draw some pictures. But nowadays I'm not able to focus on my hobbies because of lack of time.
Okay.
Because if I'm doing some pictures, then it will take a long time. So right now I like to watch movies as well, but movies are also like 2 hours, 3 hours. So it's very difficult to gather 3 hours in a day. Just to watch movie. Like I feel that apart from watching movie, let's learn something related to English language. So like yeah, it's good to watch English movie. Yeah.
What are you doing for your listening skill?
Listening skill. Sometimes I listen to podcasts. Podcast. I use Spotify application. Spotify application. I think you know that application. Spotify. So like I search their podcast. Then whatever podcast. Like one day I was listening to Gita. Gita is there. Srimad Bhagavad Gita. So Gita is there in English language. You can listen to that podcast. And